Look up.
Look. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's moving right over us.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Like, why? Why?
He stopped too. Well, yeah. I feel like it's more of the hood this way, which makes me nervous, and there's more hood drivers this way.
No, I mean, it had nothing to do with being hood. It's just being stupid.
Concrete. What you say?
Ran that light. Oh, I'm gonna go on the sideline. I'm gonna skip everybody, knowing what they're doing, and if you don't let them, it's like you know.
Like you got a space.
But that's not enough. He wanted to go more.
I know.
I was letting him in too. He's like, no, I ain't. Another one. No, this is good. This guy. You know what? I'm just gonna skip everybody.